Hi guys, today I'll be showing how to increase the storage on your PlayStation 5. So we'll be using this drive. This is the WD Black P10. This is a 5TB version, and I'll include links in the description below, including purchasing links for this if you're interested in getting it. I actually purchased this one from Amazon in the UK for £88 on Black Friday. So the storage you get on the PlayStation 5 is probably sufficient for a few games, but you'd probably be looking to increase that. So we're going to be putting it on this drive, and this is a USB 3 drive. My PlayStation's set up just over there in the back. Let's get the hard disk connected up. So the cable it comes with is here. Plug that into the back, and the USB connection goes into the back of the PlayStation. Now, if you did attempt to plug into the front, you get a message saying use the back ports because they're faster. So we'll plug it into the port over here. Now that the hard disk's plugged in, you don't see any message appear on the screen related to it being plugged in. Coming across here on the menu options, you can see settings. If I go in there, scroll down to storage, click on extended storage, and this is what we're presented with. Now looking below on the message here, it says you can install PS4 games to the extended storage and then play them directly from there. If you have an extended storage drive you're using on your PS4, you can also use it on your PS5. So that's quite good. You're not limited to just using it only on the PS5. If you've already got an extended drive on your PS4, you can make use of that on your PS5. So let's format as extended storage. And just to note, once you do this, you're not going to be able to use it again on your PC, and any data you have on there will be lost. So make sure you've transferred any data off. And if you didn't want to use it on your PlayStation after this, you could just remove it and then reformat it on your PC, and you could start using it on your PC again. So let's proceed with the format here. And this is just warning you that you'll delete anything you have on there. Let's say yes to that. Now it's saying the USB drive has been formatted, and it's saying PS4 games and apps will be installed on extended storage, and it's telling you where you can go to change that if you didn't want that to happen. And also shows you where to go if you wanted to stop using the extended drive. So now if I click OK, and you can see there how much storage is available, how much free space is there, and the fact that you can flip over to always install PS4 games to extended storage. So that's on at the moment. We can turn that off. And coming down here, you can see safely removed from PS5. And if I come across, click on that, format as exFAT. So you can reformat the drive as well if you wanted to. Now coming across here, going back to console storage, going across, you can see all the stuff that's on the console storage. Now if I go into games and apps, so you can see at the top, items you can delete, and then items you can move. So this is where you can select the games you want to move off. So I come down here, you can see a list of what I've got on there. And if I come back up, let's move off Street Fighter. So if I select that, come across, then come down, there's a move option. So it's as simple as that, literally select the move. The selected games and apps will be moved to extended storage. Okay to that. And there you go, the game's moved across now. And now if I come back from here, back again, go to extended storage, come across, if we look in games and apps, there you go, Street Fighter 5 is in there now. So now if I come out of this, and we go across to the game. So now if we come down, press play. And there you go, the game starts up. So this way is quite interesting. If you've got a PlayStation 4 game, you can play it directly off the hard disk, which is really good. So you can have all your PlayStation 4 games moved off onto there and play them directly on the hard disk. So let's try the same thing out now with a PlayStation 5 game. So coming back, let's close this off. And now going over to settings, storage, console storage, games and apps. Now coming over to items you can move, looking through the list here. As you can see, there's no PS5 games listed here. And if I go over to items you can delete, you can see them there. I've got some PS5 apps and games in there. So interesting seeing this. So this confirms that you can only move off PS4 games and PS4 apps. You can't move off any PS5 games, which is a shame really. I would have thought it'd make sense to be able to move them off as well, so you'd have to keep downloading them. So if you did have a large collection of PS4 games, at least you've got a method now of moving them onto external storage so you don't have to repeatedly keep downloading them when you want to play them. So just move them off when you're not playing them, and then you can disconnect the drive if you wanted to. And then to do that, you just come back to extended storage, click on here, safely remove from PS5. You've stopped using the extended storage drive. You can safely disconnect it now. If I click OK to that. Now coming back, and with Street Fighter 5, if I come down, press play again, there you go. It's now saying can't find the game. To start it, connect the extended storage drive it's installed on, and there you go. Simple as that. Bit of a shame, as you've seen, you can't do for PS5 games. I think it's good for now. At least you can do it for PS4 games and apps. So there you go. I hope it's helped anyone thinking of doing this and freeing up more space on their PS5 consoles. Details for the drive I've used are in the description below, including purchasing links. Hang around for the end cards for some more gaming videos. Drop me a like if you've liked this video. Thanks for viewing, and see you in the next one.